You see people, you see where we have to go through in Jamaica? Watch there. Rain. When the rain fall, the whole place been flooding out. The birds them can be drowned in. The animals them can be drowned in. We have to pick breadfruit for to send come a foreign. Pick ackee. The fisherman them have to go sea, go catch fish ticket. We no get. They could be drowned in. Somebody could be climbing the tree and slide and pop them neck. This is what we go through in Jamaica. Rain on top of rain. We don't get snow once a year. We get rain every day. Look over the sea. Look over the sea. Look there. Look where I'm going for the sea. Look there. The fisherman them could be drowned in. And we have to catch fish. Before I send come a foreign Congo. Every minute you don't want fish and you don't want breadfruit and you don't want ackee. Look on the tree. Rain is falling. No breeze is blowing. Look at ground. It's the veranda we step out on and watch there. Watch there. Watch there. My foot them could be drowned in. You know, thank God I don't move on the sailboat you know, once a year snow and where people have to go to and send Congo. Use every day rain fall here and the whole of it could be drowned in.